Hi, I'm Kamakshay Masnaru. I'm an open source software evangelist and also a full stack web developer. In my previous video, I've shown you how to install Git in Windows 10 operating system. In this video, I'm going to show you how to register computer in the GitHub portal. There are many implementations of the Git. GitHub is one of the very famous and also world-renowned Git implementations. I am going to work with GitHub because I have my account registered in GitHub. By the way, you just have to go to the something like github.com, and then if you have not registered, it will ask you. See, I'm already registered, so I'm already logged in. I'm just going to log out. So this is how it looks like, github.com, and here you need to register and get an account, because I'm going to show you how to push and pull source code to and fro local computer to the GitHub server. If you want to know more about what is GitHub and how to work with GitHub, there's a lot of online documentation. You can just go there, and the aim of this video is not to show GitHub. I just wanted to confine my talk to work with the source code software development and sharing this, establishing the communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add our computer to the GitHub server. And so for that, we need to do one thing. In Linux culture, we have a particular activity called secure login. So as and when we create some software application inside our computer, the idea of working with Git and GitHub is to take the software application and keep inside my GitHub account as one of the repos, so that it is possible for people who are collaborating with me to work with the same repository or repo. So this is all about software collaboration. So there'll be an idea of teams and team management. The idea of teams and team management arises with GitHub and Git and all, everything like that. Okay, that's all right. So now if you don't know anything about the Git, you just can press Git and then press enter. Then it will give you a lot of now here you will find a few commands like fetch, pull, push, something like that. These are the most widely used sub commands together with Git. There are also like commit and all, merge, this branch, and they should be kind of add, restore, bisect, diff, show various types of objects in status, working with 3 status, switch, tag, and all, everything like that. So the ideology, there is a big learning Git is in itself is a big concept, and there are a series of activities which a developer needs to do in order to push his or her code into the Git based online web servers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to register your my computer with GitHub. I already have so the process is very simple. I just need to create a public key. That is how security happens in Linux based systems. Okay, for that we have SSH. I don't know if I would like to check if I have the SSH. Yeah, SSH is there in my computer, so I can also see my present working directory. I'm in users. If I see where I am actually, okay, I can go to my documents. It is better to be in a secured there is documents here. I'll just go to the documents, and then I'll try to, what is there inside here. There are so many. I'll just try to create inside the documents. I can just go for cd home and then ls. Here I should be having user. Is there anything called home bin? And cd dev ls clipboard and all everything is no, not this one. Let's exit or proc temporary user cd cd user ls cd. No, this is not exactly the place where I would like to. There is nothing. See, I can so there's nothing wrong. I can just stay at my home directory. This is my home directory. So here I'm just going to create a key ssh keygen. This is the command which I need to use to trsa, okay, dash capital C. Then I'll try to use my email ID, so that because this is actually the primary email ID which I'm using on the GitHub, so that my GitHub should be able to recognize my email ID. It is better. You don't need, actually, you can just write ssh dash keygen and then press enter, so that it will ask you where you need. When I press enter, then it will ask me, do you want to save that in mkssh? Yes. No, you need to remember this one. I am here /c users mk. This is actually my present home directory. It is telling me that I'm going to create a directory ssh, and then I'm going to put the yes. You can just press enter here, and then do you want to go for the passphrase empty or no? I don't want anything. Just I'll enter same, nothing. And now when you just let me see if I have, I think LLA can let me know SSH. I need to go to the directory SSH. Where is it? SSH. Oh, where is that? Okay, LLA pipe dot SSH. Okay, it's not there. It's okay, fine. Then present working directory. IMK, I think it should be here. LSA. Is there anything called SSH here? I don't know, where is it? It is here, you see. Actually, I could not notice this. This is here. Okay, we have to go inside that. Okay, ls.ssh and okay, cd dot ssh, then ls. You should be having two keys here. id rsa pub. This is what is the key which we would like to paste inside. I should be having a a command called pv copy. This is actually a command which we use. I think it is not there. That's okay, fine. I can just use notepad. Yeah, notepad is working. There is no problem. Cancel. I use notepad. Then id or sa dot pub. Battery is running low. Notice. Sometimes, say this is, I don't know, yeah. Now our key starts from here, okay, and then it ends here. Control N here. You see my email ID. So now I need to select the entire data inside this file. Control C and go back to the GitHub login. Okay, this time I'm going to use my other email ID. Earlier I used to, yeah, I'm logging in, it's okay. My email ID is working. Actually I changed in my, go to settings, and then you need to go to SSH and GPG keys. I already have two keys. These were my earlier keys. I don't have those two systems. I can delete as well, but instead I'll just create a new SSH key. I call it as Windows 10 system. okay, and then copy the entire code that which I paste the entire code data that which I selected from here, copied from here, and then add SSH key. Okay, now our system is literally recognized by, we can start doing everything and anything right from here. So whatever, now this is how actually we need to register our local system, I mean the computer, the machine, with the GitHub server. So this is for this video. I shall come back again in another video and explain how to initialize a particular directory and push and pull the source code to and from the computer. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the new content, and then please subscribe to my video channel.